Uh, hello guys, welcome once again to this amazing YouTube channel. I go by the name it's underscore Baraka 001. Guys, Baraka 001. You can find me on my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching me, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Share my videos, comment. Don't forget to leave a positive comment there. So guys, I come from Nyabohansi village, country Kenya, born and raised here at Nyabohansi. So guys, I've been out for a while due to some challenges, but I'm officially back. So good people, today, as usual in my videos, if you have checked me out on other people channel like Kengor, fathela TV Daily, John Vlogs, and many other YouTubers was working here at fathela TV Daily. I was in charge of bringing water here at the site, and now guys, at the moment the site has taken a break because the process that is underway is the roofing process, though they are putting timbers on top so that roofing can start immediately. So guys, I'm going to take you to how the work has been going here at fathela TV Daily, because by the time the roofing has started, I had some challenges with my phone, and now I'm officially back, and I'm going to show you how we are going work is going here at fathela TV. Though we are not working at the people we are bringing water at the site, because I've told you that here at the site, all that is going there right now is the roofing process. So I think the other work will continue when fathela will tell us that now we can resume to work, because roofing maybe is over or any other process is supposed to be taken. Also, I'm from his home. This is where he was born. This is his mother's house. Inside there, he used to stay there, and now you can see here. This is not actually the main gate. This the main gate is at that point there. So here we have another gate at entrance. Used to get inside. This is the wall of fathela TV Daily. So my good people, I'm going to show you how roofing is going here at fathela TV Daily. So my good people, come on, let's take a tour and how the work has been going on through this time that I've been in the previous video. I've been showing you how we have been going the work here, but I've told you I've been out for a while because my phone had some issues, so I had to do maybe the repairing, because this phone that I'm using, I've been using it for a while. So when something gets at least stay for long, the voltage and the quality will not remain the same. So that's why I keep on having some challenges, but I will try my best to show you how we are going here with the work. So let's come together. Let me show you. I'm trying to open the door. I think it's locked, but let me find for the solution how I'm going to do this amazing vlog, because there's no one around the place, no one is inside here. So I think for security we decided to lock the door. And I'm not trying to get inside here without permission, but what I'm trying to say for this security, because someone may come here, and non-person may come here to get maybe you can get other things as lost. So for security, and that's good by the way, for security I decided to lock. So let me look for the way that I'm going to enter here and show you how the work is going here at fathela TV Daily. So guys, before I take you through that point, here at fathela TV's home, and this is the maze that this is where he actually used to help the family doing the work here. And this you can see here is a lot of maize here. That's fathela driver goes Matari. You can see how the work was going here, but for now it didn't go the way they expected, because you can see how this is the way. But just see it sometimes it was dry, but the maize lacked enough water, because you know, when there's a stage it reaches when the maize actually needs a lot of water, but at that point there was not enough rain, so you can see how the maize started to grow. You know, just imagine they put their record, they did the wedding of the maize, but unfortunately it didn't rain. Due to lack of rain, the maize ended up premature, you know. So what next of this? Because there's no way. You just imagine the person. Just see how it looks like. The person has tried their best. That's actually for the refugee brother with Masara, and his siblings have tried their best. They prepared land here. You can see the prepared land. They did the planting, but shockingly, it didn't rain actually. So the maize ended up not maturing. Just see how it looks like. Just imagine, guys, of all the effort that they gave out, it didn't rain. You can see, actually it's a big loss by the way, my brother, because you put your effort here. Yeah. Because I remember there was a time, actually before you came there to the site, yeah. We were working there, we were bringing water. By that time the site was not that much on, and it was somehow there were signs of raining, but no rain. Actually it didn't rain. You are here, you are working, you are waiting for this maize, but actually by bad luck, the rain didn't rain. So just imagine with all the effort that he gave out, but actually it didn't work out because of the rain. You know, here in Africa, we go with season. You know, we plant our plants with season. Like for this maize, it was their season, but unlucky, it didn't rain. Just imagine the effort that he gave out.
Actually, you know, it's not only us.
Yeah. You know, maybe someone may watching this video and think it's only here at your home. No, actually, you know, many of them were affected by the way. I don't know how we are going to actually survive this coming year, because at the rise, there will be rise of price of this maize, because you can see, just imagine, you can see how this maize is. And at the moment, the maize is supposed to be somewhere at this point,
up here somewhere.
And it's supposed to be giving out the maize, actually the maize itself. So it's almost like you are supposed. You can take a view of that point, because I think that point we have they are tall because of enough manure, I think something like that. But
that place has a lot of manure.
Yeah, so just compared to this place, you know, when you go there, at least they are tall, and they can even you can even go inside deep.
The bad thing about that maize they are tall, but they don't have the maize.
Yeah, they don't have, because maybe I think the main reason why they don't have this actually lack of rainfall. Yeah, so I don't know how we are going to survive next year, bro. Because
it's very good. Yeah. Because at least it rained. You know, it was very dark.
No, but actually, it even gave us stress there while we were working at the site for fathela, because we were supposed to bring water, and a borehole that we were going to get water, it got affected because the level of water went down.
Yeah.
So actually it was really hard.
Yes.
Maybe you go there maybe 4 a.m. in the morning,
You
get some maybe 25 drums. Yeah. So you get 25, actually not drums but jerry cans.
Yeah.
You know, the 20 liters. You get 25 of them. That's actually something like 500 liters, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Something like 500 liters. And you get there, we are supposed to use something like 1,000 liters a day. So you get like it gave us a challenge because the level of water in the borehole went down. It was dusty actually. So that also affected us because we used to bring their water, and we got something that he supported us with something.
Yeah.
But when we didn't have actually water, because the distance for us to go and take the water from maybe the river down here, at the dam, it was actually hard for us. So it actually affected us because if we didn't bring enough water there, I had to look for another option. Maybe you could call someone with the tuk-tuk, to go and get water from the dam,
Yeah, from the dam. Actually, they were taking it from the dam.
Yeah, from the down dam there. So it actually affected me, personally, with my colleague that we used to work together. But God willing, by now, at least
it rained.
Yeah,
more than 2 times right now.
Yeah, and it's heavy rain by the way, and we are very, very grateful for that, because actually we were suffering.
Yeah, we were suffering.
We were suffering.
Even water for drinking.
Drinking water. There at the site, the masons and the handmen needed water for drinking and for other purposes, but we didn't have enough water due to lack of rainfall. But for now, we are very grateful. We have rain. But our main concern is it comes here, bro. You have really worked here. I know.
Yeah.
Working here, but this is not easy.
Yeah, digging.
Yeah, you came, you dug here. You came with your seedlings. Yeah. You planted, and unluckily.
But the thing is, we will have another option next year, for sure.
Yeah, for sure. But before we have that option, farmers outside here will complain because of the
manure.
Yeah, of the manure, because we didn't have the enough. Actually, maybe we might be having enough manure. Fertilizers. Actually, I think they were also affected. Many farmers also affected because you find someone was already there. He first weeded the plant. So the second thing was to put the fertilizer. Maybe you apply the fertilizer and it doesn't rain. Your plants will end up drying.
It's very bad.
Yeah, and that's very bad. By the way, you find maybe the land that you are using, you rented the land. It's not yours. We go through a lot of things here. That's how villagers here we go through. We go through a lot of challenges. Maybe for those who planted the maize first, the lucky ones have managed. Have managed to have something, but for us,
it's not enough.
Yeah, it's actually not enough, because in the market we are going to have a lot of issues. Rising of the price of the maize.
Actually, what is the cost right now? 130.
For one
kg. Is it 1 kg?
I think that's I think it's 1 kg. That actually that
the maize.
That mineral they are using. It's something 130.
130.
Imagine at least for now it's at that's actually $1.
Yeah, $1.
For now it's at $1, and we are at least having the maize. Just imagine next year.
From next year.
We will not be having the maize. The maize will not be there in plenty. And at the moment it's at $1. Just imagine, by the time we will not be having enough.
Actually, it will be like $1.50 somewhere there.
Yeah.
180. You remember that day it was 200.
Yeah. Imagine there is a point in it that we used to buy the maize at 200. At 200. Almost $2.
Yeah, almost $2.
Yeah, and in the past we used to buy at 70. 80. 80. That's less than $1. And it came to an extent that we almost bought it at $2. Just imagine next year it's going to reach $2. I'm sure.
It will.
It will,
But
because
godly, we, you know,
yeah, God will maybe
maybe
a
there will be
miracle
another,
happen.
yeah, a miracle will happen.
Yeah, but
Maybe
I'm really
maybe this part, maybe in the other part like Migori.
yeah, and the other
the
part
rain was there.
in
Maybe.
in Kenya, you know.
Yeah.
So, but I'm really okay for me. I'm not feeling okay because we gave a lot of effort here,
You
bro.
know, this is God things.
God
We need
plans.
to appreciate. Yeah,
Yeah,
God
we
plans.
have to appreciate though.
Yeah, we can't unplan God plans.
Yeah, though I know
Though the
even
main
for you
problem,
personally,
yeah,
I know you are not feeling well because you gave a lot of effort here,
yeah.
but by God's grace,
But the
everything
thing
will
is,
be fine.
it is next year.
Yeah, there is
We
always
will
next
plan
year.
next time.
You know, by now, I think by January, by February, maybe January, February there, you find this will actually food for cow, you know, because this is not given anything here. So maybe next time we'll come back strong and do the work actually. I actually think we'll be showing them how the work
things
is.
goes.
Yeah, because you know we are hard working, you know. When it comes to work here, village boys,
We are there.
we are there. There's no way you can escape the work here because you can't expect your mother to come and work for you to provide everything for you because you know you are a youth. By now you are almost turning maybe 20 years. Almost.
I'm turning 19,
Yeah.
this month.
Yeah, imagine turning 19. You know, I'm also turning 19
next year.
No, not even next year.
Yes. This month.
This year, this month.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Same
I'm 20. Oh, just imagine, I was almost being given birth by the time Jesus Christ was almost born. I'm born on 24th.
24th.
Jesus. But I think I'm like that when
really
my parents decided to call me Baraka, blessings actually. Yeah. You know.
Yeah,
So,
for sure.
Yeah, for sure. So we have to know that how are we going to fix the situation. There's no way your mother, maybe your mother, can come out of the house and come start doing this work and we are just there seated. That's not good because we have to help our parents. You know, they should be proud of us because your mother maybe when your mother comes home and sees how you have been working here. No, actually those are blessings. Those are blessings because if your mother comes on and appreciate that, wow, my son is doing a great job, those are blessings. She's blessing you, and even your coming generation, your child will be like they will follow your footsteps because when you grow up, you know, actually you are the man. You have to tell your children that no, I never used to do this. You are supposed to go on this path. This is wrong and this is right. But if you are taught, maybe you are lazy, you know, you are lazy and maybe you have children who will go out and look for food for the children, your wife, you know, that's how we work here. You have to be actually hardworking. Though though it has not worked out this year, we know that and we believe in God. You know, we are here in Africa, we are very blessed by the way. Though this is a challenge, and challenges are there in life. So yeah, we have to go. Yeah. So I think we are blessed. You know, you find in other parts, in arid areas, like somewhere in Turkana, the northern Kenya there, they don't have even, at least for us we have rain, you know, but for them it will be almost a year without rain. But for us, we thank God, and this has how the plants have been going. But we appreciate for the work that has been going at this place. But God willing, next year we'll come back stronger. Yeah, on the farm. Yeah. So yeah. So I think did the muscles come today?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Actually, they went to see the iron sheet.
Oh, so they went to look for a iron ship that
Yeah,
is
the
supposed to be put on at fathela's
place.
place.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so the roofing of the timber.
No, it's not done.
It's not actually done.
Yeah, maybe they were to finish today.
Yeah.
But in God's willing,
By God
by tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure everything will be okay.
Okay, so I think if they haven't watched how the progress was going there at Fathela TV, I think for me I was out for a while because I had some issues with my phone. But for you, yeah, you used to show them how you are going there at Fathela TV site.
Yeah.
So if they haven't watched out, go back on Good Masari's videos, YouTube channel, go and watch the previous video. I'm sure you'll enjoy because they are very, very nice vlogs because you are working for sure because, you know, Fadela used to be like us, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
But, you know, it's actually encouraging us, youth, because my brother...
It's a role model to us.
Yeah, and it's a very, very big blessing because at first you can remember before he started the construction, before even he joined YouTube, I used to see him, we used to see somewhere there, we make stories, you know. He used to tell us, bro, I'm sure my God is there and one day I will make it.
Will be alright.
Yeah, but you know, you can see just how God has done wonders in his life, you know. At first I can remember knowing that I'm going to have a family. Let's see how fathela has transformed, and I'm sure more blessings are coming. He's going to change the home, because you can see how he has just started it. I can see the so guys, today I was supposed to show you how fathela site was going, but I had to depart the plan because it is locked, and it's not the person who is having the key to access the compound of fathela TV. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, maybe night. It actually depends with your time zone. So guys, thank you and keep on supporting me. May God bless you abundantly.